Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Abdul Habiyan Language Club. This is Ilyas Mahmood, the founder of EM English Academy. So today I have a little student in front of me, and I will ask her some basic Bengali word meaning, and she will translate into Bengali. All right. So Tahia, I will ask you some word meaning. You have to say the meaning in Bengali. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. So the first one is Uttor dige.
Northward.
Northward. Good. দক্ষিণ দিকে.
Southward.
Southward. Right. So পূর্ব দিকে.
Eastward.
Eastward. নিচের দিকে.
Downward.
Downward. তারপরে বাহিরের দিকে.
Outward.
Outward. Alright. আমি বই পড়তে পছন্দ করি.
I like reading books.
Alright. That's good. আমি ফুটবল খেলতে পছন্দ করি.
I like playing football.
That's good. That's right. আমি ছবি আঁকতে পছন্দ করি.
I like drawing pictures.
I like drawing a picture. So Tahia, you are doing great.
Thank you.
Alright. So thank you very much for watching the video.